the temple and like all of that. So this is really cool. I'm wearing a mask though because the air pollution here is apparently really bad. Everything here is like gorgeous though. We are in Hanoi. This is my outfit for the day. This is second to last business casual outfit because we are going to 2 more company visits today and then we will have time to explore. We leave, today's Thursday. We leave on Sunday, or at least I do. Some kids are staying later and whatever, but I feel like the time has gone by so fast. Like it's so crazy. Like I love it here, like culture wise, people wise, like it's so beautiful. Love everyone in my group. Like it's so awesome so far and this experience has been so incredibly cool. Like I encourage you to study abroad, like even if it's only for like the winter session. Like I encourage you to study abroad if you can because it's literally so awesome. Like you get so close with the people that you travel with, that you study abroad with. Like it's so awesome. Love it so much. But we are gonna go explore some more companies today and I think one's a brewery. I'm not sure what the other one is, but I'm excited. This tastes like a grain. How is it?
That's holy shit, that's good.
Oh my gosh, it's really good. Wait, it's like sweet. I love it. Okay, we finished our like school day and now we are going to go explore more of Hanoi. I want to go to this like train street. I want to try egg coffee. I think I'm actually gonna get pho today, so I'm like excited for that. But I changed into a hoodie because it's like colder. I don't know, it's like 60 degrees, so it's not that cold, but that's it. Let's go explore Train Street and more of Hanoi. Got pulled into a little tourist trap.
Yes, Train Street. But we weren't the only ones.
Exactly. We met these fun British people. But crossing the street here is so hard. We wanted to walk down Train Street and these like people were like, no, like you can't cross there, like you can't walk down, go through like this alleyway. They took us down a random alleyway that went like into their house and then into a coffee shop. And we were gonna say no, we were gonna pass the coffee shop. They're like, no, like you can't, like not allowed. Okay, so we went into the coffee shop, tried my egg coffee, but yeah, it was very strange. Definitely a strange tourist trap experience, but whatever. Had to happen at least once, so.
She has a YouTube channel.
Wait, what?
Yeah, she has a lot of.
Okay, we just came to this pho place. What's it called? Hong's restaurant or something like that. And I got this plate of pho and it's phenomenal. It's like mind-blowing. So good. First plate of like real pho on this whole trip and it's so good. Waiting on a mango smoothie though, but it's very yummy.
Yes.
Long slogan.
Anh em ơi, you say ơi.
Oi.
About my service, captain team, no scare everybody. Ơi.
Oi.
I say 1, 2, 3, you say zo.
Zo.
I say 2, 3, you say zo.
Zo.
I say 2, 3, you say uống.
Uống.
And 3 days ago, Vietnam have the winner to Thailand. Slogan, more slogan, Vietnam, Thailand. When I say Vietnam, you say vô địch, vô địch.
Vô địch.
But louder for me, vô địch.
Vô địch.
Vô địch.
Vô địch.
When I say Thailand, you say tuổi lồn.
Tuổi lồn.
Tuổi lồn.
Tuổi lồn. Tuổi lồn.
Okay.
Wait, that looks like something. Alright, let's do it.
Okay. Now say. Now do you want practice or say now? You want practice or say now?
Say now.
Okay, take your drink. Nào, anh em ơi!
Anh ơi!
1, 2, 3, go! I say anh em ơi, you say ơi.
Ơi!
I say 1, 2, 3, you say zo.
Zo!
I say 2, 3, you say zo.
Zo! Uống!
Okay? Còn nào? Anh em ơi!
Ơi!
1, 2, 3,
Zo!
Well, I say Vietnam, say vô địch. Vietnam.
Vô địch.
Vietnam.
Vô địch.
Thái Lan.
Đuổi lên.
Thái Lan.
Đuổi lên.
Đuổi lên.
Hell yeah.
We are heading to Ninh Binh today and let's go explore. We're gonna go biking, hiking, on a boat tour. It'll be so fun, but I'm so sad it's already over. We're at this like incense place that has a bunch of little things to like put incense on it, or like things to like, what's it called? For like the incense to burn. This is the start of our little trip adventure in Ninh Binh. Got some flags and we're up at the top.
Girl, I made you smile more on this shirt than any.
Okay, guess we have to put on some
Oh, I
life
need to put this on.
jackets.
Optional. What?
Right.
Boy, oh boy, he's a little fat phobic. Gotta be honest. You gotta. Oh, shit. Pop it up on me.
This is so big
Can
on
you
me.
adjust me in the back?
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh wow, that's not the best.
Yeah,
I know. Can someone loosen mine? Someone loosen my straps?
We are biking in Ninh Binh? Ninh Binh. Ninh Binh. Abdul's got the tunes. Then we're gonna do a little hike later too, so. You wanna say hi? Hi! Try not to fall. Okay! A bunch of rice fields that aren't technically in season. Well, I mean, it's not rice season right now, but a bunch of these like things that are in the water are for cultivating rice. So that is really cool, and the scenery is gorgeous. Like this is just not real. Like it's so surreal that I'm like here right now. It's our last day too, which is so sad. But
You can put them in the basket.
Okay, we're climbing like a million bajillion steps up to, I don't even know, up a mountain, and already huffing and puffing, and it's only been, how long? Not even like
30 seconds.
It's been like 30 seconds. That's true, we are pretty high. But we'll see what we look like after, because we got a long ways to go. I just said bye to everyone. This is so crazy. I wake up tomorrow at 6:40 in the morning, or well, I wake up at 6, but I have to leave the airport by 6:40 in the morning. And it's so sad because this experience has been so fulfilling and like the best thing I think I've ever done. I'm so glad I decided to do a study abroad with UW-Madison, and even if it was just this like mini winter session study abroad, like it was so cool, such a cool experience. Like definitely recommend a study abroad, even if it's like a winter session, a summer session, whatever. You don't have to do a whole semester, even though I think I am gonna do a whole semester. I definitely will be doing a whole semester. Oh my god, everyone in my group was just so awesome. I learned so much, and like this has just been the coolest like experience ever, and I'm so sad it's over. Like I'm actually like, it's so sad. But I am currently packing things up because I leave tomorrow. It's okay, I have another trip planned after this, and then I go back to Madison to go back to class and stuff. But I just want to say this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking along and watching this Vietnam vlog. I love y'all so much. Thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.